Windows apps inside of Mac. Finally, M5 Pro, 18-core CPU, 20-core GPU, 48 gigabytes of RAM, and the base 1TB SSD is all it took Apple to replace my main PC. Oh, this is satisfying. Apple never disappoints. I needed something to replace my desktop. With the Ryzen 7 9800X3D and the RTX 5070 Ti, which was able to do it all. But there was something missing. I needed my laptop to be able to do all of that because I commute every day to university. This is exactly what sent me down through the rabbit hole of light and premium laptops. I was shocked to see that Intel and Nvidia are closing the gap pretty fast and they caught up to the race. Believe it or not, macOS is way better than Windows. Every single Windows machine that you see is being held back by that operating system. Let's talk performance. Here is the notoriously hard game to run, Rust. Now look at this, 110 to 160 frames per second. It did stutter for me, but I was able to fix it manually. To the famous Cyberpunk. At this point, everybody tries it. And this game is also native for the Mac, and it runs perfectly fine. 4K, upscaled from 1080p at high settings, no ray tracing for sure, from 50 to 70 frames. And if you want to get around 60 plus frames all the time, you have to go down to medium settings. This is insane. I never thought I would be able to game on a Mac. So as someone who is in the midst of his aerospace engineering studies, I need to be able to use professional CAD software, which is only supported on Windows x86. By some miracle, I was able to get it running. This app is called Parallels. It combines powerful silicon with all the software that runs on Windows. I was able to switch seamlessly between Windows and Mac without any lag, any issue, and even run it on battery without my battery draining like crazy. I was also able to run Windows apps inside of Mac, and it looked like it was a native Mac app. I cannot praise this software enough, and this is a lifesaver for every STEM student. This laptop always ever, no matter where you are, can just open it up and you will be there where you left off with your timeline. Cut it, go into Blender, do your scene, and then when you are home, you can plug it in and let your scene render. What about connectivity? Well, this one right here is crazy good. It has 3 times Thunderbolt 5, each 120 gigs per second transfer speed. Right now I'm connected to my dual screen, I'm connected to my microphone and also my DT990 Pro through an amplifier, and it's all running just perfectly. Now the only thing to consider about this laptop right here, given the problem that we have now with the pricing of RAM and how much everything went up, Apple, the news came out and this one went up 600 euros in Germany at least. So you might find some cheap options that still haven't adjusted their prices until now. They will eventually. And I forgot to tell you one more thing.
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!